Hello guys, for today live night I will be announcing a new announcement, which is the start of our new trading account. Now as I promised, this week I reset my old account that I stopped like 1 month or 2 months ago because of the problems that we face with this E-Trade account. And E-Trade, the software that they use for paper trading, in terms of splits, it doesn't work. So I stopped the other account because they took our money from the paper account because of this mistake. And I have explained this many times ago. And for this, I want just to start the trading account. Now, how do we proceed? A lot of people, they have followed me in my subscriptions. Others, they just on YouTube, they don't know what's going on. So what we do is we open a paper trading account with $100,000, and then I begin to trade. Now, the good thing is that anyone who is in the silver subscription or golden subscription, he can see what we bought during the week. Now, when I buy something, it's like the real thing. It means I will show you the order. It means there is no way I can change these things, because a lot of people, hello Sabah, how are you? Because a lot of people, when they do trades, how do they proceed? Okay, they trade whatever they trade, they take whatever they take, they hide whatever they hide, and then if some they use manipulations in order to push their trading account. There are a lot of scams out there outside, so I'm not worried to follow these guys or to follow them. So for me, what I do is, when I buy a stock according to my strategies, because I don't just buy a stock like this and then give you a reason why. No, I explain the reasons I have explained because of my training, and almost all the people here, they know my training, so they know when I buy into different moods of the market, either from the bottom or from the high or from the middle or wherever I see right. So there are rules. Hello Herman Man, hello. So there are strict rules that I follow. If a stock is not working good, I sell it, I buy another one. But since we have $100,000 we begin with, so I will buy many stocks at the same time, and each time I find a good stock that meets my criteria, and then I buy it. Sometimes I find 2, 3, 4, sometimes I find 1, sometimes I find 10, but I will buy as I go. Now, I have explained many times how this works. It means I will buy. If my stocks are good, I will hold them. Now, time of holding is to follow the trend. So since I don't predict anything, I will never know how long the trend for this specific stock, how it will end. So when the trend ends in few days or few weeks or even a few months, like I have seen, like 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, when the trend stops and I see that the stock will not give me any more money, I sell it and I buy another one. Okay, this is how I proceed. And hello Rizwan Moody, hello Free Trader. And this, for you guys, for the people who wants to follow me, it's just a real teaching. It means it's not just theory where people just expose, okay, do this, buy here from the past. Buying from the past, as a lot of people they do, they show you something, okay, 2 months or 3 months ago, you say, oh, I bought it here and they sold it here, it's because of this, of that. This is not a good way to show the trading strategies and trading techniques. But for me, I propose these techniques and this thing live. It doesn't mean that I do live trade like this, because I am not doing day trading to have, for example, 10 minutes or 1 hour live and they show you, because I don't do that. So for me, I do swing trading. Swing trading is to buy on specific time according to specific mood of the market. It depends when. And then all my students know if it is a good time to buy. Almost all my students, I announce that. I show the stocks. I show that the market is in a big move. So I urge my students to begin to buy. Now, they can buy whatever they want. It's not just to follow me. For example, for me, when I buy, it's just to practice and to see by your own eyes what's going on in the in the stocks, where I bought it, at what time, why I bought it, what is the technique that I use, what is the strategy for that moment, okay? What I expect in the future from this stock, but I don't predict. So you should always make a difference between prediction and expectation. Now, when I expect, it means I don't wait. I don't know what the market will give me, but I expect this and that. It can happen, and sometimes it couldn't. So for me, I'm not worried about what the market do in the future. I'm not worried about that, because I trade through my strategies and through my techniques, and I have been successful since 2010. Okay, and each year, this is what I do, and this is how I make my money in the stock market. So, Saba said, good traders should have lots of experience and patience. Yes, you should have patience, especially when you are waiting to sell the stock. So for me, I don't sell because I have a predisposition to sell the stock after 10 days or 1 month, or because of 10% or 20%. These techniques are used in day trading, and some people, because they don't know, they use it in swing trading. Swing trading, since you don't know where the trend will be, you don't know how this stock can give you as money. Is it 50%? Is it 100%? Is it 200%? Is it 10%? Is it 5%? Or is it minus 5% or 10%? So you will never know. So since you don't know, how can you stop yourself? I see a lot of people, a lot of students before, they have old from other guys' strategies, and they show me, they say, oh, we should sell this because someone tells me. I say, who tells you? I said, please, forget about other people's strategies and techniques. Now, when I show you, if you tell me I sold this stock here, I will show you if it is right or wrong according to my strategies. But the techniques are there. They are in the training. If you are not going to follow us with my trading account, you can just take my training, and just you do what is in the training that shows you how to do it by yourself. Or if you want just some stocks to begin with, either penny stocks or IPOs, or big stocks, or big large companies like blue chips, whatever stocks that you like, it's the same strategies, because the stocks follow some guidelines. It means if you know how to buy on time, that's it. Because you can buy a stock at any time, but it depends. When you buy it today, it's better than you buy it next week, because you are getting more and more money from this week to next week. So if you wait, you are losing some of your profits. Okay? So, hello Rahmatullah, hello Sabah, hello Alien Palavan. Thank you very much. How to make million with less capital. Ilaya Palavan. So, listen, we are not here to make millions of nothing. You bring $100 or $500 and you want to become millions. It's not in my channel. Okay, it's not. So try to be real. Try to be real and don't follow this. I'm not saying bad traders. Some they are scammers. They just give you the, for example, the best title, and you get attracted because they know what you want. For me, I know what you want, but I am so sincere about my trading strategies and techniques. I don't make you a millionaire from $1,000. This is not me. Try to find someone else who can scam you. I don't. Okay? So, but the thing is, trading and investing, it is a continuous thing. Okay? If you are investing, you should invest each month, each year, each 6 months. You should put money into your stocks in order to have a bigger and bigger and bigger account. And then you are trading and you are making money. But making money depends on when you are in the market. If you like penny stocks or you like flying stocks, big or small, but understand that they are very risky. So as you might think you can make a lot of money, understand that you can lose a lot of money because these stocks are volatile. Okay? So understand because when you think about risk, you should think about to make a lot of money and to lose a lot of money. This is risk. I always show my students, we say, okay, if you are scared and you don't want to lose and a lot of money, or you are not with some stocks, so what you should do, try to find stocks that move slowly. I show them how to find these kind of stocks. Okay? Stocks that are, for example, less than 1% a day. A stock that moves, for example, 0.23 or 50 cents a day. Even it is a big stock, even it is $100, it moves slowly. Okay? So if you like those, I will show you how to find those because of your psychology. You are not into big risk. For me, I am average. I am average guy. It means I don't go with very, very large flying stocks. I don't put too much money. For example, in penny stocks, I don't put too much money because these stocks, you can really make money, yes, but you can wipe your account in some clicks. You buy here, you sell here, you lose 50% of your money. You put $50,000, you lose 50%. This is not me, okay? This is not me, because if you play too much with your money and you don't study your risk, you will end up wiping your account. And this is what happened to most of the beginners. They don't know if they are in a bad stock, in a very, very risky stock. And when they lose, they say, oh, why we lose? And then they begin to blame Wall Street guys and the stock market is a scam. I see them always singing these songs. You find them, most of these traders are losers. When they lose, they go online and they begin to Facebook or YouTube. They begin to whine, I lost because of Wall Street. They took my money. No one will take your money. It's you who doesn't know how to trade. Now, when you know how to trade, you will be making money. It's not you don't take money from others. Understand that. It's the value of the share that it changes, because a lot of people buy and you will be making money. So it's like everybody will make money. Okay? Except for the losers. Because the losers, they don't buy on time. Like the good traders. They buy at the end because of the news. Because an analyst, when he see a stock having reached, for example, 100%, They begin to show off in TV, CNN, CNBC, Bloomberg, all this very large media. They say, oh, just buy. Now, understand that if the trend is nearly finished, you don't know, because you are not an expert. You don't know, but you rely on other people. Okay? These people are paid to tell you what they want, although they have real information. Real is it means you say to me, this is stock. Yes, he said to me that it goes 100%. Yes, this is stock. You see it. It goes 100%. But do you think that this stock will go to another 100% next 5 months or 6 months or 1 year? Do you think that? Now, he tells you that it might go. But is there a guarantee? No. So, since there is no guarantee, so what he says is just, I'm not saying lies, because these analysts have half of the truth. Half of the truth, what does it mean? It means they give you the past of the stock, which is correct. They are correct in that. Any stupid person can see that this stock has gone 100% from the beginning of the year. Is that simple? Yes, it's simple. But the problem, what is about the future? Who can guarantee you that this stock will go 100%? Who? There is no one in the market. And if there is someone who tells you that this stock will go 100%, this is just prediction. Any stupid person can do a prediction. Even someone in the street, you ask him, you say, Dow Jones, in 1 year, how do you think it will go? 10%, 50%? You say, 20%. Because the market will be good in the future. Okay, he give you reasons. Okay. But is this the truth? It might be right, but it might be wrong. So we are not working with that stupid ideas, that predictions. We don't predict the market. For me, when I want to buy a stock, there are certain criteria that this stock should meet. Now, when it meets, I buy blindly. I just buy. Sometimes, this is the funny thing about my trading, is that I don't know the companies. Some, they are old, I know them, and I follow them, and I buy them on time. Every year, I have my expertise in some stocks. Okay? And I showed my students, and some of my students, when they make money, they say, Karim, with you, money is easy. So, it's just because of my experience. I have some old stocks, some stocks many years, sometimes they are IPOs. They are just from last year. We bought them last year. These stocks. But they go down, so I forgot about them. But this year they come back. So I buy them again. Because I don't have this idea, for example, when you buy stocks, that I bought a stock, I forgot about it it's forever. No, it's a bad thing. Because sometimes the stocks, they get shorted. When the market is bad, a lot of big stocks, a lot of good stocks, they get shorted. When they get shorted, everything go down. If you hold on them, you will be losing a lot of money. That's why for me, when I see a stock that it is not doing good, it doesn't behave good, I will sell it according to my techniques of exiting a trade. Because I don't just exit the trade because I have made 10% or 20% or 30%. Okay? Herman Man say how to buy stock from bottom. So guys, I will just explain and answer all your questions later when I finish. So let's go into how my account works. I have explained this for my students. It's too much details. I don't show you as someone tells me where to buy in the bottom and what is the bottom of a stock or a market. But for my students, I show them. But right now, since we begin this week, so I will just go, if I can explain to you how I do, how I proceed with my new trading account, and I will, and for those of you guys who wants to follow me, they can just subscribe to Silver or to Golden, because Golden I give more about investing, about other things. Now for Silver, it's only the trading account and the lesson and the other things. Okay, so let's go and just explain if we can. Okay, as you can see, how to proceed with my trading account. So if you can see, trading account. So the trading account, in E-Trade, they give us 100k. This is the paper trading. 100k is what they give us, and then we can begin to trade. Okay, so all the trades are verified. It means now what they do is this is a new account, a new trading account. Okay, so what they do, this is, for example, the stocks that I will buy. Just an example, okay? I'm just trying to 7, 8, 9, 10. I just give you an example. So these are different stocks. I don't give you the ticker or the symbol. It's just any stock, okay? Because for me, it is just a symbol. A symbol. I don't care about this company. What is it or what it does? I don't care. Now, so today, for example, is the buy. Okay, we do here. Let's say I bought these old stocks. Okay. Now we will see. Okay, we will see. I always see by day. At the end of the day, I take the decision. So look at this here. I take the decision until the end. I don't know what's the end of the trend. Okay, now we buy. Now let's say we buy this stock here. It's going good. See, all the days it's going good. Sometimes it goes bad, but I keep it. Let's say here it goes bad. Then let's say it goes good. So I have my strategy on how to do that. Now this stock is good, so I leave it. Now what about the second stock? I bought it in the same day or the next day. It doesn't matter, because I buy stocks on the exact date. It could be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. It could be any day. Now let's say this stock, I bought it. It goes 2 days good, but it is bad, and I want to exit. So let's say I exit this stock here. I exit it. It's no more. I don't have it anymore. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. Now 8 days, it means in the second week I exit. Now what should I do? The money that I have from this, we say, for example, it is a loser, and the first one is a winner. Okay, so the winner, I hold it, and the loser, what should I do with the loser? With the money that I have this, I sold it, I have the money. So what do? I buy here. Okay, and supposedly that this stock is doing good, so I keep it. So I will do for all my stocks. Okay, I can buy 10, I can buy 15, I can buy 20, I can buy 5. It depends. It depends on the stocks. It depends on how they are. If they are like now, if they are penny stocks or very small stocks, I give little money. So some big stocks I give them large money. Some smaller stocks I give them because there is a lot of volatility. So I don't want to get hurt with these penny stocks. But this is the proceed, and this is for the whole year. So I just put this here because you understand that when I buy, it's the whole year I'm doing the same thing. The whole year. It's not only 1 day or 2 or 1 week too. Now, if there is a problem in the market, I can stop trading for 1 week or 2, or I go shorting, or doing ETFs, or doing something else. Okay, in some bad weeks on the year I will do that, but in the whole year I am long. It means I expect that the market will be doing good. Okay, so this is how I do. Now, so in this week, what I did, so, okay, so in this week, just to make, I bought one, okay, I bought one on the 17th of November. It means, I guess it's on Monday. This is the beginning. I bought only one, and after a few days, this week, it's a winner. So we have a winner. Now I bought 3 on Friday. Okay, so Friday. So we are today is 22nd, 21st, 20. Yes, I bought 3 on the 20th of November on Friday. Okay, so how do I know? If these stocks are winners or losers? So it's next week. So I bought 3. I bought 1 on the Monday, which is a winner. I see it's very good. So I am beginning to make money. I think I have made $4,300. You can check if you are silver or you are golden subscriber. You check how much I make for this. But this is just the beginning. I'm not going to sell a stock because of $4,000, as you might know. Now, these 3 stocks next week. Now, I will continue here. I will continue next week to buy more. Stocks until I finish the 100,000. Then what should I do? If the market is so strong, I will use the margin account. Now the margin account gives me another 100,000. Okay, so this makes my account very powerful, moving with $200,000. But understand that when you use the margin, you have interest rate. So guys, if you are buying in swing trading and you are waiting for a long time, like 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, guys, if you have a broker that asks you a lot of money, please check. So here I will just explain this, because there are a lot of people they don't understand. Now, when you use the margin, understand that you will pay interest rate. And sometimes when you pay interest rate, they tell you, oh, it's only $1, it's only $5 a day, it's not big deal. No, don't think about this. Interest rate, try to find a broker that has the least. I have seen a broker that do, for example, 1.99%. So 1.99% is a good. It means it is the cheapest interest rate. So it is good for swing trading, because okay. But guys, I have seen some people who use 10%. 10%. You know, the broker is taking 10% of the money that he lends you. 100k, he will be taking 1k in the future because it is 10%. And this will continue, and this is bad. So guys, don't try because he gives you money, he will take a lot of interest rates. So do not accept this kind of thing. If your broker is bad, is giving you 8 or 10 or 7%, please do not use the margin. And another thing about the margin, if you are good at the trading, you begin to use the margin. But if you are a beginner, I suggest to you, don't use the margin. Don't use the margin because this money that you borrow is just borrowed money. If you lose, they will take from your money, not from the broker's money. It's your money. Okay? So I give you, for example, an example. That, for example, you buy a stock, and let's say you lose 5% in this stock. Just you lose, okay? Loss. Understand that, for example, 100k, you lose 5%. For example, you put stocks and then you lose in 1 month. Let's say you lose 5%. Now, what does it mean for you? 5%, if you use only your money, it is $100,000. So your money that it is left is $95,000. This is your money, okay? Because you take 5%, which is 5,000. Now, what if you are using the broker's money? This is margin, okay? You have two things to pay. First, you pay another 5% that you lost from this. So your money here becomes 90,000, because 5% from the margin and 5% from your real money. This is real money, your account, cash. This is cash money that you lose 5, and you lose 5 from the margin. So you lost 10,000, not 5,000, because this 5% is taken from your money, not the broker's money. Okay? But it is good also. Let's say if you make, for example, 5%, you make it. So you end up with a good thing. As you might know, you will have, for example, $100,000 as a profit, $5,000. And then if you use the margin and you succeed, you will have $10,000 profit. Okay? $10,000, 10K. But understand that the second thing, you should take some interest rate. I don't know. You should calculate according to, or the broker will give you. Now, if you bought a stock, you can ask your broker how much you take, what is the percentage, and how much you take. Okay? Now, let's go back to our explanations. So, guys, I'm not going to answer your questions until until I finish the descriptions and what I will do in this trading account. Now, my trades are verified. You will never see that, because the thing is, I buy big stocks. It means there is no manipulation. This is what I do. At least people will be at ease. Because a lot of people who have bigger accounts, who have money, they can manipulate some penny stocks and they show profit, but they have never made profit. They just pump it up. And I have seen some, but I am not interested to go after these guys. Anyone do what he does. Okay? So most of these people, they are scared to show that they lose, so they do some manipulations and they go to stocks that are having less volume, very penny stocks that are very, very small, and they push them. Okay? They push them. There are ways, it's scammers and fraud and the other stuff. So for me, if I buy a big stock that has billions of dollars a day, like for example Facebook or Apple or Tesla or Amazon, can I do a scam or fraud? I change the price of Amazon? I can't. Okay? So you need to have 10 billion or 20 billion to do a scam, but you can't. These are bigger stocks. So when you buy them and you succeed to make the money, this is the real trading, because what you show is something unique and true. But understand that penny stocks, anyone can show you that he makes the money, but in real he did not. And this is, this is some games that I okay? So since as I told you, anything that I buy in the week, I make a video and I show you the order history. The history order, I can't change it because it's a broker software. I can't change it or delete, or even if I cancel an order, it should be shown. So always what I do to my students, at the end of the week, I'll show them. I say, I bought this stock. Sometimes I bought a stock on Monday, but I sold it on Tuesday or Wednesday. It doesn't work. So I will show them this stock that I bought it, I sold it. Because for me, I don't rely on a unique stock. I don't put all my money in one stock. This is risky and this is stupid. Okay? This is done by some traders before, but sometimes they make a lot of money from it, but sometimes they lose a lot of money. And they can wipe out their account if they continue with these things. That's why sometimes you heard some big traders, they lose a lot. It's just because of these practices. Now, because of my money, I want to have an average risk. I don't go with flying stocks like this, and I don't go with the slow stocks. So I am in the medium. I always think about risk before anything else. Okay? So guys, I will answer your questions. Just be patient. Now we are at 38 minutes. I will just continue and explain how I do to stocks, as I told you. Okay? So this is the two scenario that I have for you guys, just to understand. Okay, so for example here, it's I buy here. I buy. Let's say this is the green candlestick I buy today. So this is the buy. Okay. Now, if the stock continues to go up and then it's going down. So here I sold. So this trade, I have some of these trades. This is a loser. So a loser, it doesn't mean that you are a loser or I am a loser. No, it's probabilities of the market. Sometimes you buy stock, you think it's good according to strategies, but it fails. Now when it fails, I sold it. Now why I sold it? Because I lose money and I continue to lose if I hold. So the best practice is to exit this trade. Exit. I don't need it. Now, there is another stock here, a buy. It's the same. I bought it on the same thing, but this stock continues to go up, to go up, to go up. 6 months, for example. Now, 6 months, I bought it here. 6 months. This is my trades. It doesn't mean it could be 6. It can be 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It can be 1 month. It could be 2 months. It could be 6 months. It could be 7. I don't know. So for me, I don't stop the stock until it failed, until it's going down, It failed. So you see, like these stocks a lot. So here I sold with a profit. Now, the profit that I have, it has no relation with the months, with 6 months, 5 months. Okay, it has no relation. I will explain this in here. Okay, just to make sure you understand. So sometimes I stay 2 weeks. Let's say in this trade I stay 2 weeks, but I make 50% of my money, like profit. Okay, here I'm speaking about profits. Sometimes number 2, I stay in 1 week, but I got 100% of my money. So the time, it has no relation with the profits. Sometimes let's say I put 6 months and I get 70%. So it depends on how the stock moves. So I can't control how much money I get or how long will I stay. Okay? So I will put this information for you guys just to make sure you understand how I trade. So now I will just put 36 here. Now okay, I don't control how long, sorry for that, how long I stay in any stock. So I don't know. Okay, so I don't control how long I stay in this. It all depends. It all depends on the trend itself. So I have no idea. Now, second thing I want to mention, I don't control profits. Okay, I don't control profits. I don't know how much. So I don't know how much I will make from this stock. I have no idea. So, and number 3, which is a basic thing, there is no relation between time you hold a stock and its profits. So there is no direct relation. But the main thing is I follow the trends until they dry up. It means until no money is expected from the stock. So this is major ideas that I give it to you. You can practice them in your own thing, but to know more about these specifics, you should follow me. At least I will show you how I exit a trade, how I buy a trade, in which time, and there's another thing, guys. I will mention that. At least almost all the people know, but I buy at the end of the day. The end of the day. The end of the day, why? It's just because I should see the signal very, very good. Very, very good signal in order to buy. It could be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. It means it could be any time according to what I have. For example, if you are buying a lot of stocks, you should buy earlier. But if you have only one stock, you can wait until 3:50 p.m. and you buy the stock. Okay? It means it's or 3:55, but it's better to have 3:50 or 3:45 just to make sure you bought the stock, the shares that you want, and that's it. Okay? So in general, I don't buy in the morning. Exceptionally, if I miss to buy by 4 in the next morning, I can buy in the morning, but exceptionally, if the stock doesn't go that far. Okay? So these are some of my things that I showed to you guys. And last, just to make sure you understand, last time when we begin with the trading account in January, okay, in January, we just to make sure we explain. So we begin, okay, we begin from last year, but we reset the account because of some problems. This E-Trade has a problem with splits. I have explained this. Splits. They don't give you they don't give you the shares that you have, and we have a problem with splits. For example, with Tesla this year and with Apple. That's why I reset the thing. Now, we forget about this problem because we are not going to get it again in these stocks. So I begin on Monday, 17th November 2020. This is our beginning. So I bought 4 stocks for now. You can check them when you go to you should go to either to silver or to golden. Now the guys who are in silver and golden, they give you the trading account, and for golden I give you also the investing account. We are going to invest in some stocks, so we will reset the thing, and I will show you that. But we are still, if you aren't interested only in trading, you can do silver subscription. And if you have already bought, I will give you, as I mentioned before, I will give you a discount. Some they ask me a discount, but you should have already bought, or you have already subscribed before for many months. Now I calculate this. All this you will find it in the website, in subscription website. You will find the discounts and how I give them. Now, if you are in doubt, you can call me. You can text me. You can email me or something like that. Okay. So the good thing about what we do is when I buy, you will see the history of orders that I did, and I will show you how many shares and how much money I allocate to this stock. Okay, so you will see everything, and you will begin to follow me. So the good thing about what I do, you can follow me for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. The good thing is to see by your own eyes, your own eyes. So there is no way I can change things, or you will see the stocks that I bought, and you can verify everything I do, okay? Because it's from the broker, so it's just an order from the broker. It's a software, okay? It can't be changed or something like that. And then hope, last time we got 140%. I think in September, or we end from the beginning of the year, we have 100%, 140%. But understand, this is a big account, 100,000. It's not someone who buys with 500 and he goes to penny stock, and tomorrow it is 1,500, and he told me, oh, I have made 150% just in 2 days or 3 days. But the problem is not as easy as you might. You can't just put 100,000 in a penny stock that it is $1. If you put like this, and tomorrow is 50 cents, is only 50 cents. What does it mean to your account? You will lose $50,000 in a day. So please try not to play with these penny stocks, and try to make sure it is a good stock. At least you not got hit with that. Okay. So guys, I have finished my description for what I will do, if God wills, if you are still alive on this earth. So we will continue to trade, and I will show you through the months, through the weeks, how I trade, what I buy, or what I sold. But understand, the funny thing is that some stocks I know, and I put them into a portfolio. I will just show you this. At least you have an idea. You have an idea about that. Okay. So guys, so you have an idea about what I am doing in my in this trading account. Okay, so through for example, let's say we begin in November 17th. So we will never know where we are going to finish. We just go and buy and sell, and you will see, for example, we begin 100,000. So are we going to go and to grow the account according to my strategies, or here are we going to lose here with red? Are we going to lose our money? Now sometimes we lose some money, like sometimes when the whole market is going down, but the account will go up again. So the most important thing is not to check for 1 week or 1 month, and you put, for example, a set to your account. No, and there is no guarantee how much money you make in a month. Okay, so these guys that they claim, okay, I will make 20% each month or each week, this is stupid. I don't work with that. Okay, because some good months you can make a lot of money, some bad months you can lose little money. But at the end of the year, you should be, if you are a good trader, you should be making money. That is the true trading, and all the trades are verified. You follow and you see my stocks. Now the funny thing is that I always, when I buy a stocks, most of the time it's only what we call tickers. I don't see tickers. Let's say X, Y, Z. For example, F, E, W, M, E, S. So I don't know. These are just tickers or symbols. I don't know really the name of the company, because I am not interested in the name of the company or what they do. I have no interest to know. That's why when I trade tickers. I trade the chart. This is something. Let's go right now. Okay, since we are going to speak about the chart, let's go to the Dow Jones. Let's say if we get there. Yes, let's say to see, for example, the Dow Jones. Okay. Now, when I see like this. I see a chart. Okay. I don't care. For example, I give you any. We go to any. For example, let's say this is energy stocks. Let's say take you any to the. For example, this stock. It's called PXD. Now what I see is PXD. I don't want to know more information about that. But guys, there is something that I always try to think when I buy a stock is that the most important thing I should see is let's see. Okay, let's see. I will give you an example with this PXD. Just give you an example. Okay. So look at this example, which is called PXD. This is the stock. Okay. So PXD is what I look for. It's just the symbol. Let's say this PXD, I like it. I like the chart. I want to buy the stock. Now, the most important thing I look is the sector. Is a sector that I like, yes or no? Then I see the industry. I don't see that much industries, but I see the sector, which is very important. Now, if I know that the energy sector is going bad, like I told you, my guys, I told them like this year and last year to not buy energy sector because it was doing bad. Among all the sectors, it is the worst sector this year. So if you are going to buy, most of these stocks will be going down. So you lose almost all your money trying. But for me, if I want to buy, I should see a sector that it is excellent. Like this year, for example, we have healthcare stocks. We have technology stocks. You know, we have some sectors that are doing excellent this year. But if healthcare is doing excellent this year, it might be next 6 months it does bad. So for me, I can go and check. So I will show you guys how I check. Okay, I have explained this before, but you should go here to under this blue bar here. Okay, and you find here a menu. You click on that. When you click, you go down. For example, I want to see just an example. Okay, I will show you the first example, just to give you an example how I see that. But I will not give you the techniques because techniques I teach. Let's see here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I want to see the aerospace and defense, what they are doing. We have two industries. So I click on that, aerospace defense. I click on that. Here is the industry. It is called aerospace defense major dive. I see how the stocks move. Now I go to the second one. Okay. So if I am interested in this sector, I begin to see stocks here. I see stocks. I can find the best stocks and I buy them. Okay? But understand that the stocks in the same industry, they are not doing good. See this one is going bad. So I will just search the best stocks and I will buy them. Okay, so this is what I do always, and this is how I make my money. And understand, guys, that this you should follow the techniques, you should follow my strategies, you should see what I do in every situation in the market, because the market is not always going up. Sometimes the whole market is going down. So I go to short or to use inverse ETFs, or I don't trade. Sometimes 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I just go out of the market. The market has no good trends, so I shouldn't play with my profits just to throw them there in a bad mood of the market. It's time to do day trading or not to trade, or to go the other side, which is selling short. Now, guys, since I have finished, it's 1 hour. I have finished everything I want to tell you guys. So let's see. I begin with my questions and with you guys. So Ilaya Palavan said, Muhammad Farah said, your strategy can work on forex. Yes, it can work on forex if you use my training level 11, training level 11 and 12. It's day trading. So you are speaking about day trading. Yes, you can use them. You can use them in terms of in swing trading also, because it is the same thing everywhere, because the basics of trading is the same. Now, the thing I want to tell you about forex, options and futures, they are leveraged. It means you can have small money, you can make big money, but also you can wipe out your account very quick. So it's like more dangerous. That's it. For example, you put 10,000 or 20,000 in an option. Tomorrow you buy a call. You think that the stock will go up. Tomorrow you have a gap down. You lose every money. You lose all your money. That's it. You put 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, 1 million. That's why sometimes you hear online and you see, for example, in the news that a firm or something, they do a stupid thing and they lose 10 million or 20 million or 50 million dollars. Yes, it happens. Because when you do a very, very risky trades, you will see that it's risky. Sometimes you wipe out your account. But in stocks, if you buy mini stocks and you are not going to wipe your account, whatever you do, except if you are doing something crazy. Okay? Now, this is the first question. Yes, you can use. Saba said, reading charts correctly is the key. Yes, since I am a chartist, I just look at the chart and I trade. I don't need the name, even the name of the company. I don't need it. I don't care. I don't care about the name of the company. What do I do with it? If it is Facebook or Apple or Tesla or any unknown company, sometimes IPOs, they are unknown. No one knows about them. These companies are new. I don't know even where they belong, like in the industry or sector, because they don't put them into a sector yet or industry. But for me, I like the chart. I buy the stock because of the chart, not because of the company name. Not because someone tells me, Tesla is a good company, just buy. No, I don't buy like that. It's stupid to buy because of fundamentals. So buy because of the chart, because of the techniques you have about the chart, about the strategy. Okay? So Mike L said, sure, I want to join you. Can you explain how to get started? So how to get started is just you join, you look how I buy stocks, and each month you stay. I will give you a free training. Now this free training, if you want to buy it, okay, it will cost you $50 to buy the training. For example, how to search for stocks from Stock Screener. You pay $50. But if you pay for Golden $54, okay, you will get how I explain how to search for stocks, how to buy them, and each month you stay, you get a free. It means you are just paying for your training by staying at this subscription. Or if you don't want to, if you want to buy just 5 or 6 or 7 training without following me, you can do that. I can give you the discount also. Okay. Now those people who want to have a discount in my subscription, 50%, you should buy training, and then when you have reached the amount, and then I can give you 50% of my subscription, because you will just follow me, because you know everything. You know everything. What else you do is just you follow me. I buy stocks, you just go and put portfolio and you follow me. This is how you learn how to trade. And I explain everything. Now, whenever something you don't understand, because you have experience, you have traded before, and you have your own techniques, you have your own strategies that you did before, but you don't succeed. Now you see my own strategies, my own techniques, and then you compare them. Okay? And then when you have a question, you send me an email. You say, "Oh, Karim, you buy this stock at this price, but I don't believe that it is a good way to enter." So I will explain to you my strategy, and by a video, for example, I make a video for you. I explain. So next weekend, you will find the video, and it is for everybody, the question and the answer. So, and this is the good thing, because when I buy a stock, you see it. It's not something hidden. I hide the stock and then they say after 1 month, "Oh, I have made money." No, I don't do that. Yeah. For example, this week I bought one stock on Monday. It's a good stock. On Friday I bought 3. Now next week I will buy more. The other week I will buy more. So I buy when I find the good stock, I buy. If I don't find, I will wait for next day, for the other day. So don't be in rush to buy stocks. So in the stocks, I sometimes buy smaller stocks. Sometimes I buy bigger stocks. Like last, we bought Tesla. It was $2,000. It goes to $2,200. So sometimes I buy bigger stocks. Sometimes I buy smaller stocks. So I buy almost all the stocks. Okay. Even sometimes I buy penny stocks to show you how you trade these stocks. I don't put too much money in penny stocks because they are very dangerous. So I don't put a lot of money, because they make my account very, very volatile. They can go fast up and they go fast down. So this I don't want. Okay. So Mike L, you can just go Djellala.net. You find subscriptions. Okay. Djellala.net. This is my website. You can go to silver or golden. Golden, if you want, if you are interested also in investing or in options or in other things, you should go to golden, because I give lessons, and I will each week I give you a lesson. I will teach you something. There are some ebooks that some training. So each month you stay, you get a training for free. You just choose. You go to training by ebooks or by videos. You will find a lot. So you just choose a title and you say, "Karim, I stay 1 month. This is the second month. Send me this training." I will send it to you and you get it for free. Okay. So this is just a kind of discount that I do. Some of my students who have been long with me and they stop their subscription, it's okay. They come back. I give them a discount because they are my old students. I always do, but this is specific for each student. It's not for all. It's just for the people who have been staying with me 1 year or two, or they know me for many years. Sometimes I give discounts for them. Okay? Saba said, John Karim classes, so you learn. Okay, thank you very much. Ilaya, you are really great. Thank you, Palavan. I'm trying to be honest with you guys and to show you how I trade. If you raise any question about what I did, if I sell a stock, you can ask me, oh, Karim, you explained, but I didn't get it. Why you sell this stock? You shouldn't. Like this. If you raise any question, you just ask me. Because for me, it is your training. You pay me that I train you. Okay? I don't take your money like this without giving you any service. That's why I explain my strategies, and I put this paper trading just to see that it is real. Some people who have this year, almost all my students who have been this year, they have been making money. Some people, they make a lot of money. It's just because of the stocks they bought. But there are some guys who are just lucky. Okay, one of the guys, he bought a stock with $11,000. It's a penny stock. He put $11,000, and after 2 days or 3 days, he got 54,000. Okay, this happens. 500%, and the stock has gone to 700%, but he waited, and the stock is going down and going down. I think he sold it at 500%. This is real. But for me, I'm not going to ask you to buy penny stocks because they are very, very dangerous. You can buy bigger stocks and you can get some money. Okay? Potato Bag said, nice margin explanation. Thank you very much. Be careful about margin. Some they have interest rate. Some I know that some guys are in what we call a proprietary trading. A broker tells you that I will help you, I will give you money to trade, you don't have money, and if you like that. But for me, I would never do that. I would never do proprietary trading. I would never let a broker gives me money and then he wants he puts a lot of fees, a lot of here and there, and he is going to play with you. And people think that they are getting help, but when they understand what's going on, because some people they are like hopeless. They don't have money. They have little money, and the broker, they say, okay, oh, you don't have money, I will give you money. I will give you more and more and more. But what is the price? If they ask you 10% in interest rate, or 12% or 15%, I don't know how much ask, he will take your money. You can't just someone takes 10% of your money and you will succeed in trading. You can't, because you begin with a loss. You begin with a loss. How can you make it? It means you are always working for a broker. So it's better to work only with your money, and you can use margin account, but it's not proprietary trading. Some of you guys, maybe you have heard, you can read about them, but for me, I don't like that. I don't like those kind of deals. Okay. Mike L say, will you be sent out buys and sell alerts by email or text? No, listen. I'm not going to send you buys and sells because it is as if I trade for you. No, I don't trade for you. You should follow me to become a good independent trader. Okay? There are some people who are doing this. I don't do that. I don't do this service. Because you think, because you don't understand how my strategies work, you think that when I choose a stock, it will go up by force because I choose it. No. Some of my stocks will go down and I should sell them. So for you should learn the good practice. Stop thinking about these stock picks, but instead, I have what we call stocks updates. Each week, I put the stocks that I see good, and I will tell you which time you buy this stock. I say, okay, on Monday, if this stock goes here, it's a buy. It's according to my strategies. But if this stock doesn't work, you should exit here. So my training is a complete training. I want to make you an independent trader. In the future, you will trade by yourself. It doesn't mean that you should wait, that you should stay with me 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, you stay with me and always you rely on me. I don't want to rely on me. You rely on me because you don't know my strategies. But you should learn my strategies and then you go by your own self. And then you will see opportunities that I don't see. Because the market is full of stocks. When I search today, I find some stocks. But you search today also, you find other stocks. Because for me, I can't just go scan all the market for hundreds of stocks. I can't buy them. So I just choose what price I want to buy, what industries or sectors I want to buy, and just I go search. If I need 1 or 2, that's it. But I don't have too much money to buy 100 stocks a day. I don't. If I have, I will, but I don't. Okay? So it depends on how much money you have. So, Mike L, I don't do alerts. I don't do alerts. Rizwan Modi say, what is the best time to buy a stock? Now, what do you mean by best time? Do you mean how to buy a stock? But this you should learn. You should learn. Either you take my training, or you should follow me into the subscription. I will show you always what to buy and the strategy and the techniques. Now here, I'm not giving you my training. I don't train you here. I'm just exposing to you what I do in my training. But I will explain. When you go, you begin to stay with me, you will see each week how I buy, why I buy, what are the stocks that are bad to buy, I don't buy, and I give you the reasons. But all the reasons are from the chart. I'm not going to tell you because I don't like the CEO, that's why I don't buy this stock. No, it's stupid. I don't see CEOs, I don't see companies' information, I see only the chart. Okay? So, Rizwan Modi, please try to follow me and send me emails. I will explain more and more and more in order to have clarifications about how I search for stocks. And there are many ways to buy a stock. It's not only way. It depends on the mood of the market. It depends on many things. But mainly it's about the chart. Now, if you send me a stock and you say, Karim, do you buy this now, today? I will tell you the truth. I will say, no, I will not buy. You say, why? I say, because of this and this and that. But the stock, if it is here, if it goes here, I will buy it. Sometimes it is more expensive, I buy it. Yes, because I follow my strategies. Okay? Sometimes I buy it cheap. Like this year, when we have the downtrend in coronavirus, I tell my students, all my students who follow me in the subscription, I say now it's to buy. And almost all my students have made money this year. Okay? Because I showed them everything. I buy stocks. They do the same later, or they can buy, or they buy other stocks. It doesn't matter. It means if the market is good, you can find more stocks to buy. Al-Hassan Qasimi. Hello, Karim. Nice to hear you. Thank you very much, Qasimi. Potato bag. I get it. Go long on strong sectors and short on weak sectors. Yes. But it's not as easy as that, when you go short, you try to be careful. Sometimes you have gap ups and you lose a lot of money. So be careful of selling short. I have a training about training level 11, which is how to sell short a stock. I will give you all the risks that you will have to face. So don't play the stupid to sell short in stock, especially penny stocks, especially before the earning news. Try not to do big mistakes. I showed you the mistakes. If you do one bad mistake, you will regret it all your life. So try to learn from me the good practices. 1982 Vinmar, how much money I need to start? Listen, you have any money that you have, but the bigger your account, the better you will be. This is what I ask people. So try to think about growing your account and putting more money, because if you have 1,000 or 500, it's better to have 2,000, 5,000. If you have 5,000, why not 10,000? If you have 10,000, why not 20,000? If you have 100,000, why not 200,000? Okay? If you have 1 million, why not 2 million? It means try to think about bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay? The bigger your account, the more money you make. It's like the same as investing. You invest for the whole life, so you should make your account bigger and bigger and bigger. Don't rely on the $500 or 1,000. You put it in the market, you trade, and then you think you become a millionaire in 1 year. This is not me, and there is no one who is going to do that. Okay? I mean, how much money I need get in the market. Now, you mean profits? Profits is how much you understand the market, and then you can get profits. It's not you trade with a strategy and there is a fixed money. Oh, you will get 10% each month. No, this is not true. Sometimes the money that you get is less, sometimes it's too much. It depends. It depends on the days, it depends on the weeks, it depends on how much money you have. It depends on many things. It's not as easy as you might think. Because you get accustomed with other people. Oh, you use my strategy, you double your money in each month. This is not true. You are not going to double your money in each month, or in each week, or in each day. Okay? So try not to follow dreams. Try to be real. You see the market, you see a stock, how it moves, and you can see how much money you make. But you should know when to buy, when to sell. This is very hard. This is not easy. That's why you need a training. You need to understand the market to trade. The more you understand, the more you make money. The less you understand, the more you lose money. That's the deal. Okay? Muhammad Farah said, thank you very much, Djellala, silver ground. Okay, let's see exactly. 1882 say agree. Thanks for the advice. Thank you. See you soon. Got it. Thanks. Thank you very much. Okay, so guys, it's 1 hour 23, and I have answered all your questions. So we will begin 1982 said, I see you are a very honest person. Yes, hey, listen for me. They say in English proverb, honesty is the best policy. It means you come with me, you see my trading, you see the stocks by your own eyes, I show you the order when I buy them. If you see money, you will understand that it is me who has bought these stocks and I made money. Now, if some trades I lose, I will show you. I say this is a loser. It's not me who is a loser or you are a loser. It's just the trade doesn't work. Because it's not all the stocks that you buy you will make money. It's not you harvest the market. It's time you buy a stock. And there are some stupid person that they are online. They tell you, oh, all the stocks are winners. No, this is not true. Because I am not a day trader to buy just a few minutes to go up a little bit and they sell and say it's a winner. No, for me, I want to make real money. 10%, 20%, 50%, 100% from a stock. I don't know how long I will stay, depending on the trend, because I'm following the trends. Okay? Al-Hassan Qasimi, thanks Kareem. What time of the day should I buy stocks? Rahmatullah Modi, I think you have been with me a long time ago. I just explained. I always buy at the end of the day when I see a signal to buy. I do the search, I put the stocks into the chart, I follow them one by one. I put 20, 30, 50 stocks and I choose the best. And when it is the market will be closing, let's say at 3:30 or 3:45, if I have 2 or 3 stocks, I buy them. That's it. So I don't buy in the morning. I will show you why, Rahmatullah Modi, I will not buy in the morning. In the morning, at least you will understand what I say. Okay? So, now, I will show you an example. Let's say this is the stock in the morning. Here is the open, $20. Okay? Now, it's just in the open, 9:30. Now, 10 a.m., where this stock goes, it is $21. You think that this stock is excellent, it was going up in the morning. Now, for me, I don't buy at 10. So, let's say the stock was doing good, but later it was 21, but later it was going down. Now it is 19. It is red. The candlestick becomes red. Because it was going in the morning, then in the afternoon it goes red. So the stock is 19. For me, if at 3:30 the stock is $21, this is a buy for me. But at 3:30, if it is $19, no. But I'm not speaking you about the day, because there is a strategy how I find good stocks. So I just show you the time where I buy. So I buy green candlestick stocks. Green. I don't buy the red. Green. All the stocks I buy are in the green. Except when I sell short. Now when I sell short, it should be a red candlestick. Okay? So this is just an idea. And Rahmatullah Modi, you have been with me a long time ago. You should know when. I am surprised you ask me this question, Rahmatullah Modi. You know when I buy the stocks. Bobby, six killer, you say end of the day. Yes, it's true. Yeah, you know, sometimes I will leave the stock until the 350, for example, just to make sure the stock is still strong, because I see people are buying, but it's not any green candlestick I buy it. No, I see there is a strategy. I should see the whole chart to give you an idea. I should see the whole chart because I am chartist. I see the hands of the people, the traders who are buying. I see them. Now I see they are buying. I don't see these people. Who are they? Or is it a hedge fund, or is it a mutual fund, or is it a trader? I don't care who is buying. Now I know that there are a lot of buyers. If there are a lot of buyers, you expect that this stock will go up into a trend. That's why I am an expert in trends. This is what I do, and this is how I make my money. I follow trends only. So my strategies are based on trends. I don't do that much day trading. I stopped doing day trading for many years because the money that I get from is easier to get them from swing trading than from day trading. Day trading, I should need news, I should see volatile stocks, it's a lot of work. But for me, I don't have to work. You should work smart. You should not do physical work and get little money. You should do smart work. You come at the end of the day at 3 o'clock, you search for stocks, you find, and if you find a winner, that's it. For 2 months, 6 months, they say, sometimes my students, they say, Karim, you have stayed with this stock 6 months. It's too much. Why you stay there? But I tell them that I am making money. Why should I sell a stock that it is making money? If I tell you this something which is, if I tell you, if I tell you this thing, for example, why I stay too long? I give you an example. If each day someone at the end of the day brings you money, okay, because you gave him an advice before, you say, you find, for example, your friend, he lost his job, and then you find him a job. You say, okay, I will talk to my manager, maybe you can come work with me, and the work is good. So your friend is very, very happy with the job, and he gets the job, it's a lot of money, and then he tells you, okay, if you give me this job, if you can say to your manager that I am a good person, I work hard and something, I can give you $20 a day or $100 a day or $30. Do you accept that? It's like this. So each day you are getting money. So this is the trend. Why should I always do day trading? I wake up early in the morning at 7 or 8 o'clock. I find the news. I do a lot of work. I should watch the screen the whole time I am doing that. So it's all this. It's boring for me. And it is a lot of work. I am old. I don't want to work like before. When I was like, in 2010, when I began trading, I do day trading every day. I do 2 trades, 3 days, 4 trades. I do. But right now, I don't want to do that anymore. I want lazy work. I buy stocks, I leave them. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, I make my money. Since I am making money, I hold for the stocks. But if the stock doesn't give me money, I have no pity for this stock. I will sell it, take my profits, buy another one which is better. Okay? Rahmatullah said, what time of the day should I buy stock? It's for this one, Modi. Thank you very much, Rahmatullah, for the question. Daddy Dobson said, lol. Yes. Why not? Because I have seen some techniques that some people, they told me, that guy is an expert in trading, and he say 10% get out because the stock go down. I will tell him, okay, go to my golden subscription. I have stocks that have 6 months, and I am in 100% or 140% of these stocks. Am I stupid to sell a stock at 10% and the stock will give you 100%? You are the stupidest person to follow these techniques. These are bad techniques. These techniques are for day trading. Because day trading, you have little time. So whenever you see some money, 2%, 3%, 5%, you should sell. Because the day cannot give you that much money. Except in exceptional days. When the stock goes 10% or 20%, with the big news, big earnings, and the stocks are going. This is exceptions. And you are not going to find those stocks. But most of the stocks, they go 1%, 2%, 5%, 2%, 6%, That's the day. That's the day where the stock, you can't get more than that, because this is the stock what it gives you. But this stock that gives you 5% today, for me it gives me 30% or 40% after 1 month or two. So which thing I do? Should I get 5% today, or should I wait and I get 30%? What's the thing about you? Now, for me, I prefer to wait and get 30%. Okay? It's like a child. If a child, you show him one candy, you tell him, if you tomorrow I will give you 5 candies. If you stay to tomorrow, I'll give you 5 candies. Now the child, what does he tell you? He tells you, no, daddy, give me the 1 candy today. This is like the difference between day trading and between swing trading. Swing trading is you harvest the stock. The stock goes for 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, 1 year. All the money that the stock has made, you take it. That's what I want. I don't want to day trade. But if you like day trading, some volatile days, it's good to day trade. It's okay. Al-Hassan Qasimi said, which days and times you do training? No, listen. This is not a live trading that I do. I send you videos, you find them in the account each weekend, and I will show you what I bought. I will explain to you why. If you have a question, you send me questions. I'll give you a lesson each week. I have some portfolio. I put some stocks, and I will show you where to buy them if you want to buy. This is what I do, and I always explain. It means I always explain my strategies and techniques. Each time I explain something. Now, if you stay 1 month, the second month when you renew your subscription, I will ask you to have any training that you like. Any training you see from my training, you take it for free. It's just because you are a subscriber. Okay? And you can go to subscriptions and you can see more. Now, if you don't want to follow me on my subscription, you can just order training directly. If you are confused, you can send me an email. You say, Kareem, which I begin with. I put training level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you choose whatever you want to begin with. The first training is for free. You can just get the first training. It has 28 videos. I explain my strategies in general. What is my strategies, how I proceed, and all of the stuff. Okay? So, which days? So, understand, Al-Hassan Qasimi, that I don't do live training like you come, because live sometimes it is good for some people, sometimes it is not good for some people. Some people are working, and I can't make each day a live. It will be too much work, and that's why for me I send, for example, golden subscribers. I send always almost 5 or 6 videos in the weekend. You will find everything. You will find the search, how we search. You will find our trading, our stock updates. You will find something about the market. You will find a lesson about whatever lesson. I speak about, for example, investing or so. I explain techniques. So each week I have all this kind of information. But you should grasp all what I said. It's not the whole strategy that you find and then you get lost. So each week you should learn. Begin from each week you learn. And the good thing is you follow my stocks that I bought. You see how much money I make. You see real trading. That's why when you follow, you get to know what I am doing. Okay? Al-Hassan Qasimi, your contacts. You can go to my YouTube. Since you are on my YouTube, you find my email. This is my email. You can go. If you want to reach me by Facebook Messenger, you put my name, Abdul Karim Ramain. You put my name. There is a big account. You can send me a message by even if you are not one of my friends. You can just send me a message, and I will get your message if you want to direct message with Messenger. Okay. Now, if you prefer the email, here is my email, and the website. Everybody knows my website. It is always there in my videos. You can just check, click on it, and see. Al Hassan Qasimi, I don't have Facebook. Oh man, why you don't have a Facebook? The whole world is in Facebook, and you are out of Facebook. Where you are? Which website you are using for contacts? Are you in USA or are you in another country? I don't know where you are. Okay? So Al Hassan Qasimi, please send me an email and explain to me your situation and what is the ways. Qasimi, where you are, man? Are you in a cave, living in a cave? Everybody is in Facebook. I'm not saying Twitter. Twitter is just for celebrities. But Facebook, you can know everybody. The whole world, you can see everybody. You can contact everybody. So Facebook is a good means to contact people. Some people, they use WhatsApp, they use Viber, they use other things. If you are one of those guys, you want to talk, Facebook, it's just 1 second. You go there and you put a profile, and then you search my name, you find me, you send me an email, you send me a message. You can talk to me, you can send a text message, you can send me a voice, you can speak with video. That's why Facebook is excellent. Potato bag, I don't have Facebook either, man. So where you are, how do you communicate? Facebook is one. That's why I bought Facebook before. Because it is good. It has good fundamentals before. Even before it goes to stock market. I know Facebook. It's an excellent. You will know people. You know people that you have never seen. You can search people. You can search friends. You can search companies. You can do a lot of things in Facebook. I suggest you, even if you make a small profile, even if you don't have to have friends, because Facebook is for friends. So you can be my students. Most of my students, they send me messages in Facebook. They say hi. I say hi. I say, oh Karim, I bought this stock. What do you think about it? I say, okay. Tonight I will check and I will send you an email, or I will give you my opinion. So it's just a way to get connected with Facebook. But if you don't like it, you should tell me what is the thing that you use. If you are still using the phone, but the phone, you should know the person in order to ask the phone, and you should have his number. So it's so hard. But a person in India or in Australia or in Europe, you find his channel or something. You find his on Facebook. He has a page, or is someone who is very known, or whatever. You can send him directly a message without knowing him, without knowing his number, without knowing where he lives. You know nothing. Just you send him an email. Potato Bag said it's good in the right hands, but I know some people spend hours on it instead of watching your videos. Yes, I know. Bitcoin trading, stop, and how to make money. Yes. Okay. So this sometimes Bitcoin one guy who is called Bitcoin Trading. I deleted his message and I deleted this guy. You know, some people, they get frustrated because most of the time they lose money in the market. They follow some people, they lose. So everybody, they see it online, they are against them. These people are stupid. But you know, I know some of these people. Some people when you do live, these people come. But sometimes I just delete them because they are not respectful people. Okay, so guys, I think yes, Potato Bag, you are right that people spend a lot of times on Facebook gossiping, just talking, and having friends who are just talking, doing nothing. Yes, you are right. But you can just search for people, talk to people of interest that you are interested in. You are interested in something very important in your life. You have a hobby. You can talk to these people that you are interested in, groups and the other stuff. Okay? So, Al-Hassan Qasimi said, be patient. No, Al-Hassan Qasimi, I have been with YouTube since 2011. I know some people, they just hate people without knowing them. So these people, I don't give them a chance to stay in my channel. I don't need them, okay? If they don't need me, they shouldn't come to me, okay? They don't need me, they don't need my strategies, my trading. And most of these people are losers. They lost all their money, so they begin to rant and to whine online. I know them a lot. That's why I don't have any... it means this is a good thing about YouTube and about Facebook. Facebook, you can block people. People you don't like or they are not good to you, so you block. They are not friends. Okay? Al-Hassan Qasimi, they are not friends. No, you should stay with positive people. For me, there are thousands of people, they come to my channel, they watch. It's free. I don't ask them any money. I explain some techniques, I explain some strategies. So it's just for free, so I don't ask them any money. But people who want to follow me, to follow my strategies, this is paid service because it's money. But those people who are just annoying people, most of the time when I find them, I don't let them stay, because they will go to whining to other channels. They are always there wasting their time. Okay, they don't want to learn anything, and most of them, they lose money. And you know, someone, when they lose money, they think that all the people are losers, that they are not true, and this is not true. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, please try to ask the question now, because it's nearly 2 hours. We are at 1 hour 47 minutes. So guys, if you have any question about my trading account, or I have sent you all the information. If you still need the assistance or information, please send me an email or find my profile and send me a message. Okay? So happy Thanksgiving for this Thursday. I know it's a big day for everybody, and we just have friends and family, and we stay together because we don't work, and that's it. Okay, so it's not because you celebrate or you don't celebrate. It's not important. What is important is just you find friends and family, and you have a gathering, and you eat, and you have fun. That's it. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and see you next week. For you guys who reach my silver or golden subscription, you watch the videos. It's new. It's the last videos of 20 November 2020, because all my videos are dated. So only watch the videos of this week. You can watch the other lessons of the other weeks, what I do. It's okay also. Okay? Potato Bag said, I appreciate your free advice. It's very helpful when starting and have a small account. Some wishes to you. Thank you very much, Al-Hassan Qasimi, Potato Bag, and all of you guys here. And see you next week.